All right, now I'm going to show you how to create the drawing of this part. So let's grab the part. Let's first throw some material on there. This is woods. Let's just say it's an oak. Apply that, close. Okay, now file, drawing from part. We're going to do an A landscape. Just make sure that it says A landscape here. Then it's 8.5 by 11. So I just click off and click back on so it goes to English decimal units. All right, so you're going to drag and drop the front view, drag to the right for the right side view, and drag up top for the top view. And right click and OK. So then I'm going to select these views, come up here, show the hidden lines. All right, next thing I'm going to do is the two section views in the part. So view layout, click on section view. We're doing a full section of this one. And accept that. So there's your section. Well, mine says BB because that's what I did first, but that's fine. This is section AA there. And then section view again. This guy, we go right here. Accept that. And this would be section B. Again, these sections refer to those cutting plane lines. All right, now to start dimensioning, go into annotation, smart dimensions, or not smart dimensions, you're going to do horizontal ordinate. And this is your ordinate here. So I'm going to go click on 0 there, click on this guy. As you notice that they don't appear the same as mine, but I'll show you in a second how that changes. So I just go along the x-axis and pick these lines. And then the last one. All right, so this is chaining like in ISO drawing. So we need to come up top to dot props. Under ordinate, you need to change this ordinate dimension standard from ISO to ANSI. Okay. Do that again. Dot props. So for whole call out again, I don't know why. I don't know if yours is going to default to that. So I'll change diameter, whole call out, linear. I'll change all these to ANSI. And hit OK. So notice how it appears in the right units now. I'm not going to go through all the dimensioning. You guys can figure that out. It's just for these holes here, since we used Hole Wizard, you're going to use hole call out, grab the hole, and boom, all that information comes right with the hole. 3 decimal places in here, so click on it. Change this to 3 decimal places, and you get the full length of that, or the full call out. All right. Other than that, these are a little bit large, so I'm going to bring those down. 12. There we go. Double click, change the font size to 12 units. Isometric view. Click on the front view. Go to projected view. Let it come up. Some of this should all be familiar with most of you guys. Place it and then put it in the shaded view. All right. Now again, to update the title block, right click, edit sheet format, sheets active, get the tolerance block updated, get these all updated, get the drawn name and date also updated. And when you're done with that, again, right click again, edit sheet, and then your views will come back. Okay. So again, I didn't go through full dimensioning, but you guys know how to dimension. You guys can finish up that dimension.